Welcome to Casual Cooking's channel. Today I went to Shenzhen Shuiwei to eat pickled fish. Filming station exit D. Go forward about 100 meters. Turn right and walk about 100 meters. The destination is inside. The store name is a northern dialect, which means comfortable. Recharge $500, get 2 vouchers worth $119 each. Only one at a time. Another coupon is reserved for later use, which is very valuable, and send a big bag of gifts. Although not a very special gift. This is sour plum soup. I thought it was mutai. Sauerkraut fish looks attractive. I can only accept mild spiciness. This level of spiciness suits me well. This is Sichuan chicken in red oil sauce, marinated basin. The appearance of the crispy duck head is attractive. Try the soy sauce stewed meat. I like to eat pork intestines. So delicious. This dish is salty and spicy, completely different from Hong Kong-style sweet brine. Try saliva chicken. Firm flesh. Delicious, I like it. Very good. This should be the same as salt and pepper duck head. It is more convenient to eat by hand. Tasty. But the meat is a bit tough. For the dish of salt and pepper duck head, Tanghiulao in Huizhou is still the highest score. The taste of the duck head here is also passable. The standard of food in this store is passable, not outstanding, but rechargeable, $500. The price becomes very favorable. Taking this meal as an example, after deducting the voucher, you only need to pay less than $200. Very good value, worth visiting again. Today's video is over. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe and press notification link down. Never miss a video update. Thank you all.